Those of you that drive a bus have seen this before. All sorts of stuff on the back end of your bus. How do you get rid of it? Well, Optimum Power Clean does a great job of getting rid of it. We just spray it on with an air foamer. And you can immediately see it starting to lift that dirt right off the surface. So now we've foamed it on back end, including the stack, the cameras, everywhere else. I'm going to let it dwell for a moment or two. And just wash the dirt runoff. Then we're going to brush it with a soft brush, just to agitate it, just to help it a little bit, and rinse it off with a garden hose. Nice and clean, ready to go down the highway again.